You can't see it, but now there's a fishing line run all the way between frame 7 aft to frame 46, and that's pretty tight. And now we're just going to go down the length, and we'll have 2 control points to be able to calculate the shear. Now that's still relative to something else, which can't be the ground because it's not flat, but one thing at a time. So having just gone 3D, it looks very promising. Remember, what we've done is we've strung that fishing line from frame 7 all the way to 47 to establish a straight line. We don't know that that's parallel to baseline or anything yet. It's kind of a meaningless reference, but it is straight. We know that. So what we did was we dropped each of our frames, 7, 17, 27, 36, and 47, all on that straight line according to the vertical distance we measured from the fishing line to the main deck. And it looks well enough, but pretty much anything is going to, unless you have something to check it with. And we do have we don't have a straight ground or flat level ground, but what we do have is a phenomenally straight keel. And we'll get into the kind of wood that this is taken right here from the island. As you can see, only an inch or two of deflection over the entire length. So it's a little suspect when we look here and see that a straight line, as opposed to a spline fitted through the keel at those 4 points, it looks like we have a little something going on at frame 17, right? So we'll go inside and investigate. And here we have frame 17, the suspect, the one that doesn't seem to be fitting all the rest. So as a check, I took a dimension from the molded main deck down to the top of the frame itself, and it should, according to my model, it should be 3'5 3/4. So we'll just check that, and lo and behold, it's not. Looks like 3'9 3/4. So somewhere I had a little confusion over 5 inches, and that's showing up here. So what I need to do is correct frame 17 to pick up those 5 inches, and then we have a fairly solid straight line. And then we'll be ready for the next step of the 3D extension. I always do that. I always mess up some kind of mundane detail. Carry the decimal.